Trap's all baited. Got the buoys.
Get ready to learn some stuff.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Look, pulling away from the dock. Captain right here.
Do you have a seat?
Right. Good morning, mates.
There we go.
Captain Jimmy with his two mates.
No.
Oh, the first video and he missed it.
There we go. There's a crab. Put it in there. There we go. He just made it.
Crab in there too.
There we go. Oh yeah. Measure it up, baby.
That line ain't very fucking straight no more.
No, it ain't.
You know what? You ain't got to go. I'll throw her off on the side and straighten it up.
Oh.
Double.
Oh yeah. Oh, pulling them up. There we go. Have a crab in there.
No.
Nothing. There we go. Another one. There we go.
Told you, came out here the other day, pull them up, man. Caught 28 crabs in one run. Wait till that sun comes up.
Oh!
The way to do is go out and go right all the way around and go to
There we go. We got one.
Here we go.
Come on.
So that was the first one?
maybe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, two good ones. That's the first one off these boats, right?
No.
Got about a half a bushel.
No chicken. That one's done.
No chicken. Basket done.
You got one.
There we go.
You got one with the monster.
A keeper. Sure.
Yep.
Approaching buoy 26. That's the alligator.
On top back.
Come on, be there.
That's heavy.
Oh, there we go. Oh! There's the crabbing. It all comes to this. There's the bushel.
He's not wanting to stay in that basket.
Oh yeah.
What's that rag?
Yeah, I gotta do this.
How much vinegar you using? Water, seal?
No. You go to a restaurant and they come out like they should come out just the way it is. See, he's paralyzed now. He can't even move his claws.
Some beer, some vinegar, Old Bay. Let's see that Old Bay action.
Oh, poor thing. He was right in the eyeball.
Into the steam.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Oh yeah. Good Lord.